This process involves evaluating the various open space within an urban area. Open space includes park, garden, public square, and natural landscape. The appraisal focuses on understanding how these spaces function, their accessibility, the activities they support, and their overall condition. We also look at their ecological value, the presence of native flora and fauna, and how they contribute to the community's quality of life. Essentially, it's about recognizing the roles these spaces play in urban area and ensuring they meet the needs of the people who use them. Now, moving on to the character appraisal. This process is about assessing the distinct qualities and attributes of a specific area. It involves looking at the historical context, architectural style, urban form, and landscape feature. Character appraisal helps us understand what makes a place unique and special. It considers the mix of land use, the arrangement of building and street, and the cultural and social significance of the area. By providing this, we can identify areas that need conservation or enhancement and guide future development to preserve the unique identity and heritage of the place. Both open space and character appraisal are crucial in urban morphology. They provide a comprehensive understanding of the physical and cultural landscape of urban areas, helping us create more livable, sustainable, and vibrant communities. By carefully evaluating and appreciating these elements, we can ensure that our city not only function well but also retain their unique charm and character. In urban morphology, both open space and character appraisal play critical roles. They provide a framework for understanding and improving the physical and cultural landscape of our cities. Open space appraisal ensure that green spaces are functional and beneficial for the community, while character appraisal help preserve the unique identity and heritage of urban areas. Together, they enable us to create urban environments that are not only functional and sustainable but also rich in character and green spaces, enhancing the overall quality of life for residents and visitors. The purpose of this appraisal is to evaluate the various open space within an urban environment, such as park, garden, square, and natural area. Its function is to ensure these spaces effectively meets the community's needs by assessing factors like accessibility, usage, ecological value, and overall condition. We can understand how these spaces contribute to the quality of urban life. Open space appraisal help us identify areas that need improvement, plan for new green spaces, and maintain existing ones, all of which are crucial for creating healthy, vibrant urban areas. Moving on to character appraisal. The purpose here is to evaluate the distinct qualities of a specific urban area. This involves looking at its historical context, architectural style, and urban layout and cultural significance. The function of character appraisal is to guide the conservation and development effort to preserve and enhance the unique identity of the area. By understanding what makes place spatial, we can ensure that new developments are in harmony with the existing character, thus maintaining the aesthetic, historical integrity of the urban environment.
Here, the process on how to make the open space. This is a background research. Gather information about the historical, cultural, social, and environmental context of the open space. These include reviewing existing documentation, maps, photographs, and any relevant studies or reports. The second one is the site visit and observation. Conduct a true on-site observation and assessment of the open space. This involves documenting its physical characteristics, such as the size, layout, vegetation, water features, structures, and amenities. So how people use and interact with the space, noting patterns of activity, circulation, and social interaction. The third one is the stakeholder engagement. Consult with the various stakeholders, including local residents, community groups, planners, and experts in relevant fields. Example, landscape architect, urban design, and environmental conservation. Thus, gather the perspective, concern, and aspiration for the open space. The fourth one is the character assessment. Analyze the data collected to understand the open space contribution to the character of the area. This includes evaluating its historical significance, cultural value, aesthetic qualities, ecological importance, and potential for the community use and enjoyment. Lastly, the fifth one is recommendation and planning. Based on the assessment, develop recommendation for the preservation, enhancement, or adaptive use of the open space. This may involve proposing design interventions, management strategies, or policy change to ensure the space remains an integral part of the built environment's character. The character appraisal process can be particularly useful in evaluating urban parks or public squares that have played a significant role in shaping a city identity and character over time. For example, consider Central Park in New York City. This iconic urban park has been an integral part of the city built environment since its creation in the 19th century. A character appraisal of Kota Park will evolve.